Oh my goodness, what the hell?
Just talk about the limitations that positive reinforcement has.
Oh
and
man.
how positive reinforcement training played into this. And I think positive reinforcement sounds so good, but if we really break it down, it's interesting to see how the positive reinforcement training could have played into this and made this situation. The first thing I want to say is that
Oh man, I'm over here listening to a YouTube video and I get distracted. You see that, guys? Come on, camera. Rear end. Oh damn. It's not bad though. I mean, man, these rear end collisions, my goodness. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? I'm hoping the camera caught it. Let me close my window because I don't know if you guys can hear me. So I'm here comfortably listening to a YouTube video. But what I just call on camera, the guy to the right of me rear-ended the guy in front of him. And what I talk about in my class, in the 5-hour class, the question I ask is, what is the #1 car collision? And it's actually on my questionnaire that I give out to the students. Is it a T-bone collision, the rear end collision, side swipe collision? The #1 collision is the rear end collision. It happens many, many times. I just caught it on camera, or I hope I caught it on camera. But man, I am going to see if it was caught on camera, and I am going to upload that video. And if you're seeing this right now, most likely I caught it on video or part of it. Guys, you gotta be, you gotta pay attention to what's in front of you, how close you are to vehicles, please, because the rear end collision, look at my last video, or I don't know if it's my last video, depends when I'm going to edit and upload this video. But one of my videos, there was a rear end collision caught behind me. I caught it on my camera, the same camera. You have to be very careful, guys. Please be responsible behind the wheel. But anyway, short video. Just wanted to talk about the rear end collision. I saw it happen again. Anyway, guys, later. See you on the next one. Be safe, guys. Later.